is baby jumbo beads. We're gonna make some baby jumbo paints.
Baby jumbo beads.
Yes. So same process as we've been doing all along, but we're gonna show you how to do it with these specific baby jumbo beads. So here's how they come. Put them in your cup.
That sounds kind of ASMR.
Yeah, it is kind of ASMR. All right, there they are in the cup.
I learned that from my teenager.
Right. Yes.
ASMR. Whatever that is.
I thought it was creepy, but
Yeah, it's a little creepy.
I get it.
And I thought those glass beads sounded kind of creepy.
All right, we're going to add a little dispersed water, although I will say dispersed water is less necessary with something with very little surface tension like these big old beads.
There's no surface tension.
No
with these
surface
beads.
tension. Don't really need the dispersed water in this case, but just for the sake of showing the process of working with dry fillers, generally, well, a little, whatever. It's not going to hurt. Teensy bit of water. Again, you
And
could be
that should
skipping
just
that with
be
these beads.
absolutely, yeah, there it is. Wet it out immediately.
Yep. Okay. Damp, but not liquid. That's what we're going for whenever we work with dry fillers. And I'm going to use my Acrylic 65, high resin acrylic.
Okay.
Add about 20%.
All right, perfect.
Mix it up. And bam. Put that right down.
And that's that.
And that's that. Super simple.
You want to mix it up?
Huh?
Oh, you're just kind of spreading it out.
Just spreading it out.
Very nice. Okay, very cool.
So there's your glass baby jumbo beads.
Baby jumbo glass beads. I
Yep.
kind of like them.
It's going to dry just like that.
Cool.
Okay.